Hello students, as we have completed chapter 5, the fundamental unit of life. Today in this video, we will start a new chapter, chapter 6, tissues. In this chapter, we will study about tissues, different types of tissues. We will study about different types of plant tissues, their structure and function. We will also study about different types of animal tissues, their structure and function. Now we will understand about tissues. As we know that all living organisms are made up of cells. That is, the basic structural and functional unit of all living organisms is cells. On the basis of presence of number of cells, living organisms are of two types: unicellular organisms and multicellular organisms. In unicellular organisms like amoeba, all life processes for maintenance of their life is performed by a single cell. On the other hand, in multicellular organisms, which are at a more advantageous position as compared to the as compared to the unicellular organisms, there is a presence of division of labor. And what is this division of labor? As we know that multicellular organisms are made up of large number of cells. These large number of cells are grouped in different types. These different groups of cells perform different specialized function. This specialization is achieved by differentiation. That is, in multicellular organisms, different types of cells are grouped in different types, and these different groups of cells perform different specific function. This is called differentiation and division of labor. And this specialization is achieved due to presence of different types of cells having a definite shape, size and function. Therefore, we can define tissues as group of cells having common origin and a similar structure which work together to perform a specific function. That is, tissues are group of cells having common origin and similar structure which work together to perform a definite specific function. Now, the branch of biology which deals with the detailed study of tissues is called histology. That is, histology is the branch of biology in which we study about detail of tissues. As we know that tissues are group of cells which are specialized to perform a specific function. Now, all multicellular organisms like plants and animals have different types of tissues, and this difference in tissues in plants and animals is because of the fact that there is a large number of differences among them. we will study about these difference further. As we know that plants do not show locomotion like animals. So plants have a large number of supportive tissues which are generally dead in nature. Plants have large number of supportive tissues for maintenance of their life, and many of these tissues are dead. On the other hand, animals move from one place to another place. That's why they require a large amount of energy, and this is possible only by the performance of different types of cells. So different types of tissues which are present in animals are mostly living in nature. Therefore, the difference in plants and animals is because of the fact that plants do not show any locomotion. That's why they contain generally dead tissues. On the other hand, animals which move from one place to another place and require large amount of energy continuously, that is, they require active cells. That's why all tissues in animals are mostly living in nature. Second thing is plant grow throughout their life, and this growth of body of plants is limited to certain regions only. On the other hand, animals grow up to a certain age, and this growth occurs almost in every region of the body of the animals. Plants have different types of tissues as compared to the animals. Third thing is the growth in plants is unsymmetrical. That is, plants grow abruptly in multi-direction, whereas in animals the growth is symmetrical. That is directional growth. They grow in specific manner. So these are the regions due to which plants have different types of tissues. On the other hand, animals have different types of tissues. But however, in these types of living organisms, all life processes are similar for maintenance of their life. But due to these differences, there is a difference in presence of tissues. So plants and animals have different types of tissues. Now in this video we will sorry in this video we understood about tissues and why there is a difference in tissues, rather difference in presence of tissues in plants and animals. In the next video we will study about types of tissues. Thank you for watching this video.